Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite esthetician again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amaka and today we're talking about K-beauty, Korean skincare. So if you're overwhelmed about Korean skincare, you don't know where to start, or you don't understand the fuss and the buzz around it, this video is for you. I'm talking about Korean skincare, popular ingredients in Korean skincare, why they stand out, and I'm recommending some beginner-friendly products that are very accessible and very affordable. So first of all, what is K-beauty? K-beauty essentially, refers to skincare that were formulated in South Korea, so Korean beauty. And they are usually created with the Korean beauty philosophy. And the Korean beauty philosophy is all about, deriving key ingredients from nature. They're all about soothing, hydrating, and protecting and nourishing the skin, delivering actives in a very gentle and yet effective manner. And K-beauty is all about designing products that will last long term. They're more of a long term package than a quick sharp kind of thing. Now I want to liken it to trying to lose weight. Now if you want to try to lose weight, you could go on an intense diet. You could decide to go on all those sharp 3 days kind of thing. They work, but the problem now is sustainability. After doing that and getting the desired weight, how sustainable is that? Now, as opposed to eating right and working out, it may take longer, but it's more sustainable, serves you better. To summarize it. And that is how K-beauty addresses skincare. They come from the place of, nurturing the skin, aiding the skin to work better, aiding the skin to repair itself, as opposed to addressing skin conditions in a gra manner. Let's talk about why they stand out. Okay, we know that, I just gave you a brief summary about the philosophy behind their product, which is very important for you to know so that you manage your expectations. Now, let me point out why K-beauty stands out, why the fuss, why the buzz around K-beauty. So the first one is non-stop innovation and advanced technology in their formulation. Beauty is a big deal in South Korea. Like, their consumers are knowledgeable, they want more, they want new. The brands are also very innovative. They're matching up their customer demands back to back. Like, they are constantly creating, constantly innovating. They put in a lot in formulating and discovering new ingredients. They also put in a lot in the technology in formulation of their product. For example, their sunscreens. Before now, a lot of people like me did not like to use sunscreens, and that's because the typical ones we see in the American market, although they are improving now, used to feel very very thick, very oily, very greasy, very do you understand? But K-beauty, they're not like that too. Do you get the way they formulate their sunscreens? They formulate their sunscreens to feel very lightweight, very, very breathable, very humid, weather friendly. It's just fantastic. Also, their sunscreen filters, they make use of filters that are not accessible in most jurisdictions. Very effective in protecting you from the sun and will not feel heavy and just uncomfortable on the skin. So that's one, very innovative, and they use advanced technology in the formulation of their product. Now, the second reason why they stand out is their formulas are very, very, very gentle. Now, no matter how gentle a formulation is, you cannot totally and completely say that nobody will react to any product. Until you try a product, you don't know whether or not to react to it. But they are very intentional in their formulation. Like, their formulas are very gentle. Even their exfoliating products, like their exfoliating toner, exfoliating serums, and exfoliating moisturizers, they feel very gentle on the skin. Everything is tailored to soothe the skin. So you are exfoliating and soothing the skin at the same time. Thirdly, they are very intentional and they have different products for different skin types and they have different textures. I love them for this. They can have one product and have like 5 different textures so that different people can, appreciate the same product the way they like it. It's amazing because sometimes you may see a product, like the product, everybody raves about the product, but you just don't like it because of how it feels on your skin. Just like with me and Paula's Choice Toner. I know it's a fantastic toner. I recommend it to people a lot, but I don't like the way it feels on my skin. Imagine if it was a Korean brand. They would have done like maybe 5 variations of that product, so that people like me that don't like the original formula can see a formula that we like, and we can, enjoy the product as well. Another thing is their products are, aesthetically pleasing. They also ensure that their products look good. They always have this breath of fresh air look. You see that they are so freaking intentional. They're not just doing German. It just has, they take their time. Like no, really, I'm a fan. Also, they're all about prevention. So they're not really big on treating. They're all about, rather than treat skin barrier, let us get products that would ensure that the pH is always balanced, ensure that the skin barrier is always intact. First of all, prevent that with disruption of the skin barrier. Rather than treating sun damage, let's produce sunscreens that they will like and use. They're all about prevention, the prevention mindset. Now, they also use very unique ingredients. I think I touched on this in my point on innovation, but they use a lot of unique ingredients that are derived from nature. For example, you see ingredients like bee venom in their products. Bee venom, snail mucin, green tea, ginseng, Centella asiatica, beet sap, propolis, licorice roots, mugwort, and various fermented ingredients. Yes, speaking of fermented ingredients, they're also very big on fermentation of ingredients. That is allowing ingredients sit before you use it. And the idea behind fermentation of ingredients is to break down actives into smaller molecules so they penetrate better into the skin. Remember, I said one of their philosophy is ensuring that actives are delivered into the skin in a gentle manner and an effective manner. So fermentation helps to break active ingredients down to smaller molecules so they penetrate better into the skin. Lastly, they are very affordable. Like, can you imagine? Only you high quality, only you innovation, only you intentional, only you affordable. They are very, very, very affordable. Like, if you see a Korean skincare product that is like $12, $13, that one is expensive. You see them around the range of $6, $7, $8, really, really affordable. Like, it's just amazing. So anyway, let me just briefly talk about some of the popular ingredients that you would see in Korean skincare products and what they do, so it can help you, when you say products, you have a fair idea of what this product can possibly do. First of all, all the ingredients I will be talking about at the foundation, they're all hydrating and soothing. Do you get? So even if they don't do some of the things for you that I'll be mentioning, at the very least, they will be hydrating and they will soothe your skin. Now, so bee venom is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, so it can help people with acne. It also has been shown to improve the appearance of wrinkles. So I don't know how extensive that would be, but it's something that I should just have in mind. The snail mucin is soothing, hydrating, and encourages wound healing. So fantastic for your skin. Centella is another one, soothing, very soothing, encourages wound healing, and has been shown to stimulate collagen production. And that's why for people that have stretch marks, it's advisable to use a product that contains centella because it has been shown to stimulate collagen production. Propolis is an antioxidant. It contains ferulic acid and caffeic acid. It's also antibacterial and can help with wound healing. So if you have acne, propolis can be helpful as well. Obviously, it's not as effective as all them benzoyl peroxide and the like, but it could be helpful as well. Then you have licorice, anti-inflammatory, anti-redness, and also helpful for hyperpigmentation. Green tea extract, antioxidant, very soothing. Mugwort is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so it's also good for people that have acne. Rice water, hydrating, soothing, and could have some brightening effects. Then ginseng has been shown to reverse photo damage, so damage from sun exposure. Using products with ginseng can help reverse that. Then beet sap reduces inflammation, redness, and hydrates the skin. It's also an antioxidant. So these are some of the ingredients that you find in Korean skincare. Obviously, I didn't cover everything, but these ones are popular. I see them coming up a lot. Okay, so let's recommend some products for you. I know this part that you like. Let's recommend some products for you. And I'll be following the basic, skincare routine sequence so that I cover all the steps in skincare. Now, for oil cleanser, I don't have any Korean oil cleanser here, and honestly I've not tried any one, but I know that I've heard a lot of reviews about the iUnique one, and I'll put a picture here or here. I'll put a picture on the screen of what it looks like, so you could try that out. So if you want an oil cleanser, a first cleanse to break down your makeup, try the one from iUnique. If you want a gentle cleanser, no actives, you can try the COSRX low pH cleanser. Very gentle, very gentle. Then if you have oily skin and you want a cleanser that would that has some mild exfoliants, you can try this Salicylic Daily Cleanser by COSRX. If you want the hydrating toner or serum, you could try the Inch3 one. See the way it looks like. Their product looks so nice. So they take their time. But yeah, so this is it. If you also want something to hydrate your skin, you could also try the Snail Mucin one by COSRX. So that's for hydrating toners and serums. And if you want products that target hyperpigmentation, you could try this one. This is the Thiam Vita B3 serum. It contains niacinamide and alpha-butane. You can also try this Aeswell toner. It's made from licorice roots. I know licorice is very helpful in brightening the skin. If you want something that exfoliates the skin, so you want an exfoliating toner or serum or moisturizer, here are some very accessible recommendations. There's this one from COSRX, the AHA BHA toner. There's also this one, which is the BHA toner by COSRX as well. There is the Some by Me AHA, BHA, and PHA toner. It also has a serum. Here's the serum. If you want it in the toner form, fine. If you want it in a serum form, that's fine as well. And they also have a cream. So obviously I won't advise to use all of them at the same time. I don't advise to use the toner, the serum, the cream. You can just pick one of them if you're looking for a very gentle, exfoliant. If you want a moisturizer, you could go for the COSRX oil-free moisturizer. This is another good one. They feel very nice on the skin. Like, Korean skincare is all about the texture. And then if you have body acne and you're looking for products that can help, you can go for the Some by Me body product. This is their body cleanser. They also have an AHA BHA body moisturizer as well. There's the cleanser one, so you can go for the cleanser or the moisturizer. Then what else haven't I covered? For sunscreen, they have amazing sunscreens. And why I like their sunscreens, because of the texture. The texture is amazing. These are some very accessible and affordable ones. This one is the COSRX Aloe Soothing Cream. This one is the Inch3 Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen. And this one is the Misha Aqua Gel. So obviously there are more, but these ones are the ones that I know that are very accessible and a good place to start. So you can get the basics now, then over time you can start trying out on other amazing, fantastic K-beauty products. So I put the links to these products in the description. If you're in Nigeria, you can shop through these links. They're actually the links to my online store. I have an online store, if you don't know. But if you're not in Nigeria, you could just check Amazon, or I don't know, just check around the place you stay. They may have a beauty supplier that sells Korean skincare, but these ones are very popular. You see them a lot in different stores. So what are my final thoughts? I think K-beauty, the whole philosophy, what they're about, their product, the textures, amazing. It's a fantastic blend of nature and science. So they combine natural products with synthetic products, and use advanced technology to come up with amazing formulations. But the issue now is some of their greatest strengths now is also their weakness. Korean skincare is all about prevention. It's all about, the long-term life. And less about treating and, kind of treatment. Now, but the issue now is sometimes you need those products. You need the gra and the gish. Do you understand? Like, if you don't have serious skin concerns, if you just need something to pamper yourself, you just have mild comedones here and there, you can get away with K-beauty, only K-beauty. But if you have major skin concerns, if you have really cystic acne, you have inflamed papules and pustules, a lot of times K-beauty will not cut it for you. You won't see the benzoyl peroxides in K-beauty. You won't see the 2% salicylic acid. You won't see the tretinoin in K-beauty. And those are the things that will address those skin concerns. If you are black and you suffer from intense hyperpigmentation, melasma, vitamin B3, or what's the other one? Acetona will not do it for you. It absolutely will not do it for you. So there are no hydroquinones, there are no tretinoins. All those things that will actually treat those aggressive hyperpigmentation, you will not find it. So what our advice is that you can get them, use them as a foundation to your skincare routine, so your foundational product. Then also feel free to get specific treatment to suit your specific needs. If you have acne, feel free to add your benzoyl peroxide to your Korean skincare routine. Personally, I use Korean skincare products, but I don't use only Korean skincare products. Like I use the snail mucin, a staple. I use their sunscreens a lot, but then I need my threats. I don't want to, I don't want to get old. I want to slow it down, as much as I can. I also need potent hyperpigmentation ingredients, simply because I'm really prone to hyperpigmentation and I need products that are actually potent to keep it in check. I'm sorry, vitamin B3 source or something on alone will not do it for me. But then in combination with my treatment products, it will be a fantastic addition. I hope I was able to demystify the whole K-beauty topic. I hope I was able to break it down, why there's a fuss and there's a buzz around it. If you have been confused, if you have been overwhelmed about K-beauty, I hope I helped in this video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.